Here are healthy and delicious salad recipes. Inside the timeless words of the ancient philosophers, we stand at the crossroads of our health, our choices paving the path either towards vitality or degeneration. Among these choices, the humble salad stands as a beacon of purity and wellness, a testament to nature's bounty. Today we jump on a journey through the realm of salads, exploring recipes that are not only healthy but also tantalizingly delicious. This exploration will awaken a deep inner desire to nourish ourselves with the best that nature has to offer. The essence of salads, in the symphony of life where each choice resonates with the echoes of eternity, we find solace in simplicity. Salads, in their raw and unadulterated form, are the epitome of such simplicity. They remind us of the profound wisdom found in nature's offerings. So, too, a salad's strength lies in its ingredients, each element harmonizing to create a masterpiece of flavor and nutrition. Consider the vibrant arugula and peach salad, a mosaic of green hues enhanced by the sweet tang of peaches and the nutty crunch of toasted pecans. Arugula, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, forms the backbone of this creation, while peaches add a burst of antioxidants. Pecans, with their healthy fats, lend a creamy texture and a host of benefits for heart health. The symphony of ingredients. When composing a salad, think of yourself as an artist, each ingredient a brushstroke on the canvas of your health. We have to go deeper into the rich palette available to us. Arugula and peach salad. Arugula, often referred to as rocket, provides a peppery base. Its bold flavor pairs perfectly with the sweetness of ripe peaches, creating a balance that pleases the palate and nourishes the body. Arugula is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering folate, calcium, and potassium essential for muscle function and bone health. Peaches, on the other hand, are rich in vitamin C and fiber, contributing to immune support and digestive health. To elevate this salad, add slivers of red onion for a hint of sharpness and sprinkle goat cheese for a creamy, tangy contrast. Drizzle with a honey lemon vinaigrette, a concoction of lemon juice, olive oil, honey, and Dijon mustard. This dressing not only enhances flavor but also provides healthy fats and antioxidants. Edamame and cabbage salad. Edamame, known for its protein and fiber content, forms a hearty base for this salad. When combined with crunchy red cabbage, they create a satisfying and nutrient-dense meal. Edamame is rich in protein and essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians. Red cabbage, with its vibrant color, is packed with vitamin C and K as well as antioxidants that promote overall health. Add shredded carrots, thinly sliced bell peppers, and chopped cilantro to this mix. These vegetables not only add color and crunch but also bring a plethora of vitamins and antioxidants. A dressing of rice vinegar, sesame oil, and a touch of soy sauce ties the flavors together, creating a refreshing and invigorating dish. Jicama and cucumber salad. Jicama, with its crisp texture and slightly sweet flavor, is a fantastic low-carb ingredient. It provides a satisfying crunch and is rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. To create a delicious jicama and cucumber salad, combine julienne jicama and thinly sliced cucumbers with fresh mint leaves. Enhance this salad with a simple lime chili dressing made from lime juice, olive oil, chili powder, and a touch of honey. This combination not only delights the taste buds but also provides healthy fats and a dose of antioxidants. Radish and avocado salad. Radishes, known for their peppery bite, serve as the base for this low-carb salad. They are low in calories and rich in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. When combined with creamy avocados, they create a satisfying and nutrient-dense meal. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats which promote heart health, and their creamy texture complements the crisp radishes. Add thinly sliced fennel, arugula, and a sprinkle of sunflower seeds for additional crunch and flavor. A dressing of lemon juice, olive oil, and fresh dill ties the flavors together, creating a refreshing and invigorating dish. The art of dressing. A salad is only as good as its dressing. The right dressing not only enhances the flavors but also provides additional nutrients. Explore some wholesome and delectable dressings. Ginger miso dressing. Miso, fermented soybean paste, is a nutrient-dense base for this dressing. It is rich in probiotics which support gut health and provides a deep umami flavor. To make this dressing, combine miso with fresh ginger, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and a touch of maple syrup for sweetness. This dressing pairs well with robust greens like kale or spinach. Avocado lime dressing. Avocado serves as a creamy and nutrient-rich base for this dressing. It provides healthy fats, fiber, and a host of vitamins and minerals. Combine avocado with fresh lime juice, garlic, cilantro, and a drizzle of olive oil. This dressing is flavors. Broccoli provides a rich source of vitamin C, fiber, and folate, while cranberries are high in antioxidants and vitamin E. Add chopped red onions, slivered almonds, and a sprinkle of sunflower seeds for added crunch and nutrition. A dressing of yogurt, honey, and apple cider vinegar brings it all together, enhancing the flavors and providing a creamy texture without added fats. The spiritual connection to food. Food is not merely sustenance, it is a sacred bond between us and the earth. As the philosopher Rumi said, the wound is the place where the light enters you. Through the mindful preparation and consumption of food, we heal the wounds inflicted by modern life's chaos. In every leaf of spinach, every grain of quinoa, and every drop of olive oil there lies the story of the earth's generosity. When we choose to eat healthily, we honor this story and become part of a greater narrative of wellness and respect for the planet. Eating mindfully, savoring each bite, and acknowledging the journey from farm to fork fosters a deeper connection to our food and to ourselves. The fibers in leafy greens and vegetables promote a healthy digestive tract by feeding the beneficial bacteria in our intestines. These bacteria play a crucial role in synthesizing vitamins, regulating the immune system, and protecting against harmful pathogens. By consuming salads regularly, we cultivate a flourishing gut microbiome, laying the foundation for robust health. Conclusion: the journey of transformation. In our quest for better health, let us remember that each salad we create is a step towards transformation. It is a declaration of our commitment to nourish our bodies and souls. Let the wisdom of the ages guide us as we embrace the simplicity and purity of salads, crafting dishes that are as delicious as they are nourishing. By making mindful choices and celebrating the beauty of nature's bounty, we pave the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.